Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview. And this is Chris. And today we're going to talk about latex documents and introduction to a free latex document editor called Technique Center. Now, today, before anything else, when we proceed to the software, I need to let you know what latex document is. So I went to Wikipedia and found what latex is. So latex is a markup language or a document markup language and a document preparation system. So in other words, if in Windows we have the text document, the latex is another addition to a new kind of text language. Uh, just to be simple, it's a typesetting system. So there you go. Now, the question is, how can you do a latex document? Of course, at 8downloads.com, we offer the Technique Center for you. And what is Technique Center? Technique Center is actually a latex document creator, and you can download it at 8downloads.com. So this is Chris again saying, have a great day to all, and thanks for viewing this video.